how to use Copilot to generate emails. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to leave from your school or your office and want to generate emails easily? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. You can just go to Copilot and then give in the prompt. Let's say, and then you can give in more information like when, why, and more. And then it will give you your email within seconds. You can just like give in more information and request for more details. You can change the language. You can ask it to make the mail more concise. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.